Hey guys, what's up? And today we are going to be touring this house that I've made. Me and my friend have made Tiga. My friend Tiga. So first let's go to the garage. Nothing, just like she's hot in there. And let's turn the on. Here's the playing place. I'm saving for a Jeep right now, you can tell. I'm not right now, but I will be. I'm gonna go work. So let's check the garage, right? Next, we're gonna go inside. Here is the living room with the couches and the telly and the beautiful lamps. Next is the kitchen, which, as you can see, I'm promotion. Oh, he's my brother's. Me and my brother are trying to have a who's better at work, but I only just listen. He had doing this, upgrading thing that makes it 4 each time on the promotion. But I just bought it. He bought it like last year, and he's promotion 24 and I'm promotion 22. So I don't know why I won't win one of him. So yeah. Here's the sauces I'm gonna drink some. I think we're drinking beer here. Here's the fruit box. This is how I'm gonna have some fruits. I love fruit, to be honest. I love grapes the best, and apples and bananas. Here is my stove. Here is my phone, knives, my teapot, my what's it called? Put the food back. My toaster. Some food that I'm now gonna eat because why not? The coffee machine, a cute plant pot, and some cupboards and some spices. The fridge where I can view my content, take ingredients, or take a quick meal. Next, I'm going to move on to the. Oh, hi. Hi. Let's just. Hi. I walked in on here. So here's a table. I forgot to say that I can sit. I can sit. That's awesome, I guess. I can sit and eat my lunch, So next, I'm gonna go into the bathroom. That's the shower deck. This beautiful shower, this mirror and the sink, the toilet, and yeah. So now let's go downstairs. I like this place to create beautiful memories. So if you want to know where you can get these posters from, because other people obviously have, you write quotes. Not like that. Quotes, try a quote. And all of these will come up. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Nothing on these. I am strong, I am beautiful, I am fearless, I am wise, I am a loser, I can laugh. Beauty isn't make. I have that one upstairs, which you'll see later. I'm going to change this actually. Be silly, be honest, be kind. Stay, don't last forever. Storms don't last forever. Difficult road often leads you to a beautiful destination. That's cute. So next we're going to go to the boys' bedroom. If I have 2 boys, then I let them sleep in this bed. It's the only boy bedroom I have. The television, their wardrobe, and this beautiful city, blue city. I think it's at night or dawn or dusk, I don't know, and I don't care. So next we're gonna go into my bedroom or whoever's the mom, because why not? As it's pretty mummish. That even makes sense. Here's a wardrobe and here's a telly. I didn't mean to turn that on, I just wanted to show you all. So yeah, next we're gonna go into the study place. Here's the laptop, which is not on right now, which I'll play ping pong. So I've just learned a new skill gaming, I can read books. Supreme. I have water fountain and that. I just added into the decoration because, if you're wondering how much a house is worth, it's worth 60k. So next we're gonna. Hey, don't leave a tell by the way. If you ever meet me in a game and you want to roleplay with me, never leave the lights on. I'm only doing this for the video. What else have I missed? I think that's it. Oh yeah, upstairs. It's actually good upstairs because it just is. Ugh, get me up. So here is you left without saying goodbye. It's in my room. I haven't really added anything in, but close to a bed. Another bedroom, but with a normal single bed, a wardrobe, and a beauties makeup poster. Here is the bathroom. It's a bathroom, I made it. Yeah. Here is where you can look out and look at the beautiful sky that I'll even sleep with. I'm going to add stuff in here when I have enough money. Out here too. Yeah, you can do the exact same thing. So now I'm going to change that post because I'm not recording anymore after this video. I'm going to say roleplay available or something, or I'm at work. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe and follow my account and like this video. I'm called xtegan_2007x. So, and shout out to her, Yeet. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe and have a great day. Did I show? Yeah, I showed the garage. So bye.